Hello guys, so this is one of the first videos on No Skill Gaming, and it's going to be a bit of a mini-series on how to make a massively multiplayer online game. And so we'll be doing this in Adobe Flash with something called SmartFox Server Pro, and the links will be in the description for you to go and download those applications. So the next thing that we're going to do is install SmartFox Server Pro onto the computer. And so I'm going to save it inside the folder that I've created on my desktop. Don't forget, you do have to have Adobe Flash for this to work, and I have put a link in the description for Adobe Flash. Just note that it is a trial version, so you will have to pay for the program after a period of about 30 days. So to start off, we need to go into Adobe Flash and open up a file. Now the file you'll be selecting is inside SmartFox Server Pro's files, and it's under the examples folder, and it's called Avatar Chat, so you just need to open up avatarchat.fla and we'll work from there. So the first thing that you're going to need to do is select all of the text boxes and change their font to whatever font you want it to be. Also, be sure to embed the font into the project so that when you export it, other people can see that. Otherwise, if they don't have the font, it will be defaulted to something like Arial or Verdana. And so I'm just going to leave the rest of this part of the recording in because here I'm just filling in all of the different fonts, making sure that they're all set to Arial. While this is going on, I'll just tell you a bit about the series. So what I aim to teach you is how to make a simple MMO. This isn't going to be like, oh, the next Club Penguin or Roblox or anything like that. It's just a little avatar chat where you can click to move around a character, possibly get into stuff like clothes for your character, how to set it up with a database so you can register and log in, and even have maybe different rooms and how to design them, and how to make a nice looking interface. So now what you need to do is go to the Publish settings under File, and this might look a bit different depending on what version of Flash you have, but we just want to change it so it says Access Network Only under Local Playback Security. Next, we're going to add the class paths to this project so it can use SmartFox Server, and so you'll need to locate that file. And in mine, it's just under my folder, so you need to select ActionScript 2.0, and then the Redbox client. And if you start up the application, you'll see that you can't get a connection. And this is because we haven't started up SmartFox Server yet. So the next step is to go into your SmartFox Server Pro folder, and go ahead and open up the start.bat file, and it should start up the server after about 30 seconds. So there you have it. This is how to make a functional MMO. The first part of the tutorial is done, and the next tutorial we will most likely be focusing on how to make a nice looking interface. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.